All right, you guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the KRK Rokit G4 dimensions. If you guys don't know about KRK, I'll kind of do a little bit of background here. KRK began making monitors back in 2003 with their Generation 1s. They've come quite a long way since then. We're now in 2020, and they have the Generation 4 KRKs out. KRK has been building full-on lineups of these for quite some time as well. We've had the 4-inch woofers, 5-inch woofers, 6-inch, 7-inch, 8-inch, and of course the 10s for the big boys out there. And nowadays they're really famous for, making their budget-friendly monitors that are very, very just powerful overall. They have really nice Kevlar woofers, front-firing bass ports, DSP-driven EQ on the back. Really, really nice spatial, high-frequency frequencies, and it's just overall they're wonderful budget friendly monitors. Now the reason I want to talk about the dimensions is because a lot of people buy these online and they're not totally sure how big they are actually going to be when they get there, and to be honest, I was pretty surprised when these showed up at my house, just as to how big they are. So again, these are the KRK Rokit G4s, and they are 16 by 12 by 10 in inches. So they are fairly large. As you can see, you're looking at an iMac right now, and they're about the same size in terms of height. As you can see, they are stacked on smaller books, but they do get up to that height pretty well. And in terms of the depth, they also have quite a bit of depth to them. Now, this is one reason as to why they're able to provide the sort of bass response that they do, which is very important if you're trying to work professionally. You're going to need bigger monitors. Even an inch can make all the difference when it comes down to the dimensions of a monitor, and especially the dimensions of your woofer here. Of course, this is 8 inches, and you can get down to, I believe it's in the low 30s in terms of frequencies, about 30 something hertz, which is pretty impressive. Without having an external sub. So you can work on pretty much all kinds of music with these KRK Rokits and really kind of get a full frequency range response that you can feel, which I think is very, very important. Now, of course, they're not the most portable monitors in the world. Wherever you put these, that's pretty much where they're going to remain. You're not going to want to be lifting these up and down and up and down and taking them with you on the go. They are about 22 pounds each, which is fairly heavy, in relativity to most monitors and some monitors in the KRK Rokit line, which can, I think the smallest ones are about, I think 10 pounds or less, probably less than 10 pounds. And those are the 4-inch ones. So, they're fairly large size overall. So definitely keep that in mind. If you're looking for a very portable monitors, I would recommend going with the 4-inch or 5-inch KRKs. But these do the job, and I think are at the right size for any smaller to mid-size studio. All right, guys, that's my little insight to the KRK Rokit G4 dimensions. If you guys have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave them in the comments, if you will. All right, take it easy.